Tired of looking at the same old kitchen? At CBS Bahamas, we help you transform outdated spaces into something truly your own, one detail at a time. Step 1. Begin with Open Concept 242. Our talented recommended designer Mark listens, creates, and crafts a custom design just for you. Your dream kitchen starts here. Step 2. Once your design is ready, CBS Bahamas makes ordering effortless. With competitive pricing and exceptional cabinet options from US Cabinet Depot, your dream kitchen is within reach. Step 3. Our recommended installers bring your vision to life, ensuring every detail is perfectly in place. Sit back and relax as your dream space becomes a reality. With CBS Bahamas, you're never alone. Our dedicated project managers guide you every step of the way, helping you save time, money, and ensuring a smooth, stress-free experience. Ready to upgrade your space? Visit cbsbahamas.com and start bringing your home improvement dreams to life today.